Go ahead and click right here where it says multiplying or multiply fractions. And this is what you guys should see. And here's the list, or here's our little rundown of what we got for today. I gave you guys two videos, how to multiply fractions, well, actually three, sorry. Multiplying fractions and multiplying whole numbers and simplifying fractions. That's what you guys have here. That's there to help you out. And then number two, we have our Monday handout. This is Classkick. This is the website that I was telling you guys that's brand new. We're going to explore with it today. And then the last two things that you guys have to do is Education Galaxy and, of course, getting your green light on Reflex. Now, we did have some of you over the break get onto Reflex, which was good. I know for sure that Matthew has joined the 100 Club. He has achieved 100% fluency. So a little air clap for Matthew. Round of applause. See, look at that. Round of applause. Woo. Good job, sir.
I got
Yes,
five
sir.
I got 5.2 more percent on reflex, so now I'm at 87.5.
Dude, that's
I got my
awesome.
green light on Reflex on Monday. I got my green light on Reflex on Monday.
And I was going to show you guys
And then
something.
we were busy the rest of the weeks.
Of course. But right here, I wanted to show you guys have now, as a class, have 80% fluency gain. Woo! That's a lot. That's good.
Woo!
And
Woo! 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 Wait, are we
here's the
beating?
most here's the most important stat though. We almost have the whole class using it. We have 19 kids use it daily. That's good. That means we still need one more though. So yeah, you're beating my homeroom by a lot with that. But our green light percentage, we're still losing to them by 2 points. We're still only getting 67% of you guys getting your green light. We want this number to be at 100. That means every time you guys log on to Reflex, we want you getting 100%. So this is good. You guys are logging on, but just be sure that you stay long enough to get that green light. Okay, so this is a good thing. At least you're logging in, but now finish the job and get your green light. So that's really, really good that I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so again, because I know some of you guys are just joining us, you're gonna click here, multiplying fractions. Let's go ahead and get started with our first assignment here. Let me show you guys Classkick. And I need for your cameras to be on because as I show you this, I just quickly want to see thumbs ups, thumbs down to let me know if you guys are able to get to the website or not. So yeah, just have your cameras on for now. So go ahead and click on where it says Classkick right here. And let me tell you where to click from there. So when you get to Classkick, it's going to ask this. It's going to tell you for a class code and type your name. All of you guys have your names already. Okay. So this is what you need to do from here. Well, first off, show me a thumbs up once you guys are here on this screen. And again, I'll show you how to get there again. You got to click on multiplying fractions and Classkick. All right, good. So most everyone's there. Now the next step, click right here where it says login. Click right here where it says login.
Wait, that where did we put? That thing was glitching out for me.
Oh, okay. So right here in Google Classroom, click Classkick. And then once you get to Classkick, no. Let me show you what to, because it's going to make two accounts for you. You don't want that. So what you're going to do next is once you're on this screen, don't type your name. You're going to click right here where it says login. You click login and click right here, continue with Google. Continue with Google, click your name, click allow, and everything's going to be working for you. So let me know when you guys have done that.
I cannot hear what to do because my Here, I'm
Uh,
in the website already.
okay, so I'll type it here in the chat.
Sir, I'm clicking continue with.
Click on Classkick, and then you want to click on login. Then you want to click continue with Google. We're gonna do some of this in the breakout rooms, Denzel. So some of it. So yeah, you guys want to be sure you click continue with Google. You'll have this box pop up. You'll click your name. I already did that, so that's why you didn't see it. You'll click your name and everything. And then it should take you straight to the assignment. So let me see who's here so far. See, Christian Elizondo's there. Where is he? Oh, wait, I'm clicking the wrong class.
Sir, I'm having trouble with it.
That's okay. So far, Denzel, Eli, Emmy, Fernanda, Fidel. We're still missing Gabby, Gia. Let me know if you guys need help. We got Jacob. Callie's there. So it's Leo, Matthew, Melanie. I'll help you out right now, and Zach. So those are the people signed up right now. So yeah, let me know if anyone else needs any help. All right, Melanie, you want to share your screen? Let me see if it's enabled first.
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah. It says that my password's wrong, and I've checked like my.
Okay, let's see. No,
And
click
I've clicked
continue
with
with Google.
continue with Google.
Uh-huh. Let's see.
That's it. That's all that happens. I click it.
Yeah. Okay. What we're gonna do? Go back to Google Classroom.
So they've been utilizing it, and they've already gotten
Goes what?
feedback like, hey, Jen,
Go back to Google Classroom. Like exit that window and go to Google Classroom.
I was able to catch it, or I was able to cross help.
Okay.
I had one that was able to cross help alone because she was utilizing
And click Classkick again.
follow up with her clients. And the client, let her know that she actually was needing a loan, and it was
There you
something that
go.
she was calling her because she didn't even have to go, and she did it
Now let's try this one more
so
time.
just now starting to see the perks and benefits of it because we just started doing
Click
it.
login on the bottom.
Yeah, so it's really good. I liked it when Brandon sent it to us.
And
I
then
was like,
continue
oh
with
my God,
Google.
how did I never think of this? It was awesome.
There you go.
And he says that
And
he's been
then
utilizing
click your name.
at work. So I don't know who his, I think it's Arlene, that's his WSO, but he created
And then
it
let's see if it loads up.
with us.
Atta girl. There we go. Got it.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Mel.
Thank you.
Of course. Anyone else need any help signing up? So Fidel got it. Thanks, Matthew, for reminding the people in there. Thanks, bud. Anybody else? Let me check to see who signed in here again.
Sir, it logged me out of the meeting on my PC.
Oh, it's okay. At least you came back. That's a good thing. So we got Alex, Christian, Denzel, Emmy's here, Fernanda, Fidel, Jacob, Callie's here, Leo, Matthew, Melanie, Saida, and Zach. Okay, you want to share your screen, Gia, so we can take care of it? Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, it's a new site, guys, and once you know how to sign in first, I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. It's real easy. Okay, let's click the little X, Gia, to get out of that window. the tiny X on Classkick, exit out of that window. The tiny X that's next to the plus sign. Yeah, like Matthew said, it's on the top. Do you want to try sharing it again, Gia? What about you, Gabby? Let me see. Let me click reload here. So Alex, Christian. Oh, you guys aren't seeing my screen. Wait, first let me check to see if anyone's sharing their screen so far. Okay. Were you able to get it, Gia? Cause
Yes.
what about you? Okay. Cause I still don't
Not
see
in
you
it.
here. So yeah, I don't know if you want to share me your screen so I can see, so I can help you out.
Yeah, I know I'm not in yet, but I'm barely doing the password and stuff.
Okay, but like share your screen so I can make sure you just click on the right place. Cause I don't want you to create 2 accounts. That's gonna be a pain. Click login on the bottom. Continue with Google. Yeah, right there. You should get another window that pops up, like it's gonna ask for your name. Oh yeah, there you go. It already works. Atta girl, Gio. Woo. Thanks, Gio. All right, so she's got it. She's right there. What about you, Deidre? Are you there? Little Deidre. Hello. It's like if I talk to ghosts sometimes. Like, can you hear me? Knock once if you can hear
Sir,
me.
I could hear you. You're good.
And
But
I'm
okay,
making
sir,
sure
you have it.
I'm making sure Deidre can hear me. What about you, Gabby? Are you there? So far, I'm just missing Deidre and Gabby. Okay, I'll go ahead and move on. I'm gonna keep you guys waiting. So let me show you a little bit of Classkick. Let me show you what it's all about. What I like about Classkick is, let me show you guys what, at least what I can do with it to kind of help you guys out with it, and then we'll do our lesson because this is something pretty new. So right now, everyone should be on the first page. So everyone's screen I should see here on the first block. And what I like about it too is that I can give you guys stickers. So for example, like I'm just gonna click on Alex. So let's say Alex needs some help, right? Alex is working on his handout and he's kind of confused. Well, there's a little hand right here on the top right corner, right there. So when you click that,
Sharing.
oh, Miss Peña gave me her luck. Okay, so I clicked on Alex's screen, right? So this is Alex's handout. So here's how you guys can use Classkick a little bit to kind of help you out. There's a little hand right here on the top right corner. Now it's gonna, when you click it, it says raise your hand. Now right here it has the little text box that no hand is raised on this question because Alex, I'm not the student, right? So if you ever need help, you click that hand and I'll see it. Like when you click the little hand, a little hand will pop up on my screen. I can go in there and help you. And let's say that I'm looking at Alex's work, right? I like what Alex is doing. So you know what, Alex, I'm going to give you a sticker. So I'm going to give Alex a sticker, which is right here that says great job. Good job, Alex. And you see where it says +2? That's actually some of your grade. And this is actually the amount of dojo points that I can give you. So if it says +2, I can go over here to dojo and go ahead and give you those points. I'm gonna take away your sticker, Alex. Sorry. So it was just an example, Alex. He got all sad now. And let me show you some of the stuff you can do with it here. So really the only two items that you all need to see are the pen and the eraser. Right here. There's your pen and there's the eraser. You have your text box right here. You have your zoom in, your zoom out button right here. If you wish to add your pictures, so like, you know, a lot of you guys should be working with your notebooks here. So let's say, Eli, you're doing your math work, right? You have all your math work right here. And you're like, you know what, Mr. Chavez, here's my work. Here's what I can show you, right? So you can go right here, go to the camera. You can be like, sir, oh, wait, sir, here's my picture. I can click capture. Watch. So in a little bit, you see, my screen, my work is right here. So you can show me, Mr. Chavez, look, here's my work that I did for this problem for 5B. It's right here. If you want to rearrange the size, like let's say it's too big, when you click on the picture, you can adjust, you see? You click and hold it and you can adjust it just like that. That's pretty cool, right? So let's say like Matthew does all his work in his journal. He can post it up here and he can show me, look, Mr. Chavez, here's all my work in my journal. This is how I got letter A right here. It shows you here. Or I can send you guys pictures like this too. Like if I need to show you guys a little bit better here, it's the same way. If you want to record your voice right here. So let's say that Saida has a real good answer and she wants to tell me about it. She can click here to the microphone and she'll click start recording and she can tell me, Mr. Chavez, I got letter A because I knew that it was greater than the other number here on the bottom. So you see, she can tell me that too. So yeah, that's pretty much Classkick in a nutshell. Everybody here?
I feel like this website is better than the other one.
Yeah, I
Yes,
like
sir.
this one.
I
It
don't
seems real
know.
easy.
I don't know. I got it.
And then let me show you another feature too. So look, I'm gonna go back to yours, Alex. So like, let's say that, you know, Alex found a really good video, a real good math video, right? He found a real good math video about, you know, less than and equal than. Well, you see this little link button right here? When you click that little chain link, let's say that I want to add this one, multiplying fractions. I added one earlier. I have it here on the URL. Well, let me show you. I go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube first. And let's say Alex saw this video here. So I click on that video and let me copy and paste the link. So right here, I click on the link, or you can go here to the share button. And there's the link right here on the bottom. Copy. I can go here, right click, paste, and watch. You see? So if Alex wants to show me a video like, Mr. Chavez, look, this video is real awesome. All I got to do is just when I click on it.
When you multiply a whole number by a fraction, there's really just one.
There it is. So that's what I thought that was pretty cool with Classkick. Kayla, be sure you go here to multiplying fractions on Google Classroom and click on Classkick. and log in. Matthew, you want to text her the instructions again, like you did to the other ones, so she can follow along? Thanks, bud. All right, so do you guys have any questions before we start our lesson? I know that was kind of a lot. I'll let you guys explore with it later on, but do you guys have anything before I begin? Okay. So like I said, I really like this site. I hope you guys like it too.
So can we
Hold
do
on.
breakout rooms?
You are gonna do some breakout rooms later during the lesson, yes. But like right now,
I'm already done.
I saw you were working on it. That's cool. That's fine. But what I wanted to do is first
Sir, are we
get us
gonna
to
get
work a couple of
MVP points?
Depends how you guys do, but yes, just remind me before we leave. What I wanted to do right now is to work problems together here as a class, all of us together, you know, just to kind of get you guys a little bit familiar with it. And then after that, you guys will have plenty of time to finish the stuff on your own. Or if you choose, you can go into your breakout rooms. I'll give you guys that choice. You guys are usually pretty good about that anyways. So let me go ahead and get started. Let me click on, I had mine here earlier. Should say Mr. Chavez. There we go. All right, so we should be here at 5A. And that's another thing I like about this website too, is that I can see when you guys are here or when you guys are not here. So that way I'm making sure that everyone follows along. Matthew, did you take a look at the chat? Gia told you who to remind. It was just for Kayla. It's okay, Kayla, that's fine. It's better to be late than to never show up. All right, so what we're gonna be learning in this problem solving, guys, we have 2 questions. We're gonna be learning about inequalities. And that means we're comparing 2 numbers. We're gonna be comparing numbers using the greater than sign. And the way we know it's greater is because we can make an imaginary G. And we're also gonna look at the less than symbol. And the way we know that it's less than is because we can make an imaginary L. So that's what inequality means, just greater than or less than. So from here in this problem, which inequality compares the two of these times correctly? So we have 4 students right here. And this is how long it took them to complete the puzzle of the United States. We have student 1, that's their time. Student 2, student 3, and student 4. Those are the times right there. Now, we are gonna have to use our imaginary 0 again. If you look at student 1, and if you look at student 3, they both go 2 spaces back. But if you look at student 2, it only goes 1, and student 4 only goes 1 space. So this is where we gotta add our imaginary zeros. Right here and right here. So this is the part that you guys can be doing in your notebooks. So now we're gonna go over here to the answer choices. So we're gonna put the imaginary G's and L's. So here's the imaginary G. Here's less than, greater than, and less than. See, I wrote them down there. Now another thing I need to add is the imaginary zeros. Right here, I need an imaginary 0. Right here, I don't think I need an imaginary 0 because they both go the same amount of spaces back. So we're gonna leave it like that for now. On letter D, I need the imaginary 0 right there. So we're just gonna compare which one's correct. So let me ask you guys this. Let's look at letter A, and let me zoom in a little bit. Oops, that's not gonna work. I'll just leave it like that. Think of the decimals like in money. We have $82.43. Is it greater than $82.50? First, look at the whole numbers. You have 82, 82. They're both the same number. That's not gonna help us at all. So let's not look at this part yet. Let's look at the back. We have 43 cents and we have 50 cents. Is 43 cents greater than 50 cents? What do you guys think? Yes or no? No. 43 cents is not greater than 50 cents. So we know letter A is telling a lie. Over here, letter B. This is the less than symbol. So let's look at the front. $82, is it less than $81? What do you guys think?
No, 82 is greater than 81. But
Exactly,
the
82
numbers
is greater than 81.
and 43 and 49, it would count like that because 42 in the back.
Yeah, but you're right the first time right here that 82 is less than 81. So we know right away that that's already wrong. Don't even look at the decimal from that point on. Let's look at letter C. We have 82 and 82. They're both the same. That doesn't help. So let's look at the decimal number. We have 5. Is 5 greater than 8? No.
No.
So let's come down here. Let's look at the whole numbers first. The whole numbers are everything in front of the decimal. Those are whole numbers, everything in front of the decimal. We have $81.
It has to be D because 81 is less than 82.
Exactly. Couldn't said it better myself. Like Fernanda said, 81 is less than 82, and that's why it's letter D. So on Classkick, you can go ahead and circle letter D. So that would be our answer. Okay, so you guys asked and you guys shall receive. So we're gonna go into breakout rooms right now. In your team, in your breakout room team, and be sure everyone's camera's on right now. So right now, have your cameras on. So in your teams, you're gonna answer this question. And let me read it to you first, and then I'll split you guys up into your groups. So it says, an automobile manufacturer uses decimal numbers as parts for its vehicles. The table shows the parts of the number for 5 auto parts. So here are the 5 parts. You have a spark plug, a wiper, a hose, battery, and a fuel pump. Now here's the question right here, the main part. Excuse me. A worker will list 5 of the parts in order. So we're going to put them in order from greatest parts number to the least. So that's your clue. You're going from greatest to least, but that's not going to be your answer. Which part number will be second on the list? That's the key part. So which part will come in second place? Don't forget to make your imaginary zeros. All right. And put your numbers in order from greatest to least and find out which one came in second place. So let me go ahead and put you guys into breakout rooms. And here you go. Go ahead and work together. But I wanted to know, what do you guys think?
H.
H. Let's take a look. Well, first things first is we should have made a T-chart. And this T-chart, again, you guys could be putting this in your journals, right? And like I showed you guys how to take a picture of your work, and I'll do it again in case you guys, forgot how to do it. So I'm going from greatest to least. Now, the second thing that you guys should have done is you guys should have put your imaginary zeros. Now, if you look at the hose and the fuel pump, they're the ones that go the most spaces back. They go 3 spaces back. So that means all the other numbers got to go 3 spaces back too. The wiper needs to go 2 spaces back, and the battery right here, only 1. So now they're all the same. Now all of them go 3 spaces back now. So now first you want to find the biggest number. The biggest number you should have gotten, and you got to look at the whole numbers. Look at the whole numbers right here. The biggest number should have been right here, the battery. 736 and 180 thousandths. That's the biggest one. Now, since I know this one came in first place and my question is asking for second place, so it's right here. I already know that letter F is wrong. So now I want to find the second biggest number. Let me put my imaginary 0 here. So I already know that this number right here is already wrong. It's the smallest one, 734. Letter G and letter H could be my answer. They both have 735, but you got to look at the back. Here's 117 and here's 290. Which one's the second biggest number? That would be this one, 290. So your answer was correct. Letter H was your answer. Be sure you guys mark that down. Letter H as your answer. Now let me show you how to turn the page on Classkick. So you see right here on the top, you'll see 1/5. So what this number means is you're on the first page out of 5. That's a fraction, 1 out of 5. So go to the next page, you go ahead and click the little arrow right here. And you're already on page 2. Right here. Let me show you again on the last problem. Let me go back. So let's say you did all your work on your journal, which all of you should. So let's say all your work is done here and you want to show me on the, well, you should be showing me, right? You click on the camera and you want to click camera. So there's my camera. Let's say you want to show your work. Have it here. Click capture. And now it's going to be here. Now, if you want to resize it because it's kind of big, you can click on the picture, click the green dot, and then you can click and drag it. So now you have it here. So now you have your work on your paper that you showed me that you did it, and you can select your answer with the pen like that. If you want to change the color to your pen, you can click right here on the right where it says pen color, and you can pick whatever color you want. It doesn't matter to me. And there you go. So you can have it like that too. So I have my picture and then I have that here.
What if our camera is a little bit blurry?
Yeah, it like what you were doing earlier, Mel, you can clean it. Probably just get a cloth and wet it a little bit and you can, just clear it up and it'll show up better.
Okay.
All right.
Because I took the picture and I was like, wait, I didn't even see my work.
Yeah, it's fine. Now you just got to clean it up, the lens a little bit. It's cool. All right, so let me show you multiplying fractions because it's almost going to be time for lunch, but I just wanted to show you a couple of little examples before we go, okay? So I wanted to show you letter A first, and I wanted to show you the picture. I think what I'm going to do with you guys is just show you the easy way first, and then we'll do the 6th grade way a little bit later when y'all come back. So this is what you guys should be doing. We have 6 times 1/3. It looks really complicated, right? You look at it, you're like, oh man, like how do I do this? Well, first of all, just know that you're multiplying a whole number together with a fraction. So you have
Wait, aren't you, like,
6.
supposed to like multiply the 3 and the 1, and then when you enter, you multiply with the big number?
So you think we should multiply 3 times 1 first and then multiply with the 6?
Yeah, isn't it like that?
Okay, that's a good guess. That's a good guess. It's something like that, just a little bit different. What I want to tell you guys first, did y'all know that this fraction bar really means division? Did y'all know that? When you see that fraction bar, it's really a division problem. So really, you got to read it like this: 1 divided by 3.
I
So
thought it
1.
meant like subtraction.
Nope. The fraction bar
I
really
thought
is
it
division.
meant like subtraction.
Because division means that you're cutting everything up and you're sharing, right?
So you just
division
blew
means
my
that
mind.
so like division just means like you're sharing with everybody. If you look at the pictures, look how they're all the same and they're all cut up. So the fraction bar really means division. Just so you guys know, just a fun fact. So the way you multiply this is first you got to make this whole number look like a fraction. You got to make it look like one. Right now it doesn't look like a fraction. This is how you make it, and you pay attention because this is super hard. Watch. All you got to do to make this look like a fraction, put the little line, 1, that's it. It's a fraction. That's it. So whenever you guys have a whole number, that's all you do. Just put the fraction bar, put a number 1 underneath it, and that's it. It's a fraction now. Now here's the second part. Fernanda, you're almost right about the multiplying. But you're not going to multiply like this, up and down. No, no, no. You're going to multiply straight across. So you're going to multiply 6 times 1. That's 6. And then you're going to multiply 1 times 3. And there you go. You're done. How easy is that?
Really?
Really? That's it?
Sir, but it's asking for simplest form. That's improper. It's asking for
Yes,
simple.
sir.
That's improper. It's a 2,
Exactly.
sir. It's 2. That's why I put
Where are you
the
at,
answer
Eli?
is 2.
So look,
I'm right
like
here,
what
sir.
like what Eli just said, this is an improper fraction. It's our answer, but we want a simplest form. Now this is how we do it, okay? Now this is how we got 2. I'm going to show you using the pictures. When we come back from lunch, I'll show you the other way how you can get the same answer. So if you see this number here, that's 6. The number on the bottom is 3. What the denominator, the number on the bottom tells you how many pieces make one group or how many people you need for one team. So think of it like the game for Among Us. If I want to play in this game Among Us, I need to have 3 players, right? For me to have one session. So let me see. I have 6 people that want to play though. So I'm going to shade in 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3. This game session's already full. That's 1 full game. Over here, 1, 2, 3. Now I have a total of 6. There's 2 whole groups. There it is. That's how he got 2. Using the pictures. The number on the top tells you how many pieces you need to shade in, and the number on the bottom tells you how many pieces for one group. Make sense? We'll do more of these when we get back from lunch, but just be sure, do not exit off Classkick. Like when you guys turn off your Chromebooks, keep this window open on Classkick. All right, guys, go have a good lunch. I'll see you guys back here at 1 o'clock.
Bye.
Save your one.
Sir,
Yeah.
for letter 5A, sir, I had to run to the restroom real quick, and I didn't know what the answer was because I was in the restroom.
No, that's no problem, Zach. Let me tell you, for 5A, it was letter D.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
No
Bye.
problem, guys. Go have a good lunch.